Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero accounting software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the fiscal year end date in your Xero account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to change your fiscal year end date in Xero anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're working with your accountant, sometimes they have various recommendations, including changing your fiscal year end date. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Xero account, and this is the dashboard. Now, in order to change the fiscal year end date, what you're going to do is click on accounting here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to go ahead and click on this button here, advanced. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see these various options, but you want to click on this one right here called financial setting. Okay, so once you do that, by default, you're going to see the fiscal year end right here on December 31st. So if you want to change that, go ahead and click on this blue change button. Okay, now you can go ahead and change the fiscal year end date. So let's say that maybe your fiscal year ends on September 30th. So you're just going to choose the date right here and then choose the month, September 30th. And then next you want to go ahead and click on save. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see this pop up confirming that your fiscal year end date is now changed in Xero. So everything's going to be calculated for me off of September 30th. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the fiscal year end date for your Xero account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.